Hey, are you thinking about switching career or wondering what next to do in your professional life? Maybe you've heard about tech, but you feel like it's not for you. Well, I'm here to tell you it absolutely can be. Today, we're breaking down why moving into tech space could be the best decision you ever make, and no matter your age, your background, or your current job. So let's get into it. First benefit of moving into tech space is the high demand for tech talents. The world is going digital and tech is at the center of it all. All companies, big and small, are desperate for talents, for developers, product managers, business analysts, data analysts, and cybersecurity experts. So it's not just about the Googles and the Apples of the world. Hospitals, banks, small businesses, non-profits are all hiring tech talent. So in fact, according to LinkedIn and Glassdoor, tech roles consistently rank among the top 10 most demand jobs every year. Between 2020 to 2030, tech employment is projected to grow faster than almost every other sector. That means more opportunity, more security, and more option for you. Second benefit of moving into tech space is that the money is real. Let's talk numbers. Tech pays and it pays really well. The average entry level for a software engineer makes around 38,000 to 55,000 in the UK with experience and can easily scale up to 70 to 90,000 and beyond. And it's not just the coders, the US designers, the DevOps engineers, the cloud architect, even the technical writers. These roles can be extremely lucrative. This kind of financial stability can give you more freedom, more time with family, and the ability to travel or invest in the future. Another benefit of moving into tech space is that it gives you that flexibility and remote freedom. One of the biggest perks. Flexibility. Remote work is a norm in tech. You can work from home, from a coffee shop, and from across the world. And many companies offer flexible schedules so you can work where you are most productive. Benefits is that it's not just for coders. Let's bust this myth. You don't have to be a coding genius to work in tech. Sure, developers are important, but so are the product managers who guide the vision, the designers who create the user's experience, data analysts who turn numbers into insight. You've got the QA testers who ensure quality, even the tech recruiters who build teams. So if you are creative, analytical, organized, and a good communicator, the tech role is for you. Other benefit of moving into tech space is for its creativity and impact. Tech isn't just about typing code, it's about building something real. You get to solve meaningful problems, create tools that can help people, or even launch your own startup. You're not just a cog in the machine, you're building the machine. Whether it's making education more accessible or creating tools for mental health, tech gives you the power to make an impact. The benefit of moving into tech is that learning has never been easier. Here's the best part of it: you don't need a computer science degree. There are free and low-cost resources everywhere, like a free code camp, and you've got the Coursera, you've got YouTube tutorials, and coding boot camps. You can learn on your schedule and from your couch, and many people have landed tech jobs within 6 to 12 months of self-study attending a boot camp. Benefit of moving into tech space is for global opportunities. Tech is borderless. Whether you're in Nigeria, in India, Brazil, the US, tech skills are in demand everywhere. You can work for a local company or even go global. The internet has opened doors that geography used to shut. Finally, the other benefit of moving into tech space is the endless possibilities that it provides. Once you're in tech, you're not stuck. You can move around. You can move into leadership, into entrepreneurship, even pivot into other fields like fintech, health tech, even ed tech. You're building a future-proof career with infinite branching path. If you're thinking about tech, this is your sign. No matter your age, your background, and your current job, you can start today. Pick a skill, choose a course, join a community, because the future belongs to those who build it, and tech is where that begins. Like this video, subscribe for more tech career content like this. Drop a comment if you're thinking about making the move. We are in this together. I'll see you in my next one.